Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Jeeps 07 to 18 JK Wrangler. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. With an 18 and 16 mm socket, remove the body mount bolt and bushing nuts from a single bracket at a time. This will help retain the body to frame alignment. If you wish to retain your factory hardware and bushing, ensure you take precautions against damaging them. Step 4. Begin cutting the bracket from the vehicle while avoiding damage to the bushing and body. Step 5. The front and rear brackets are driver and passenger side specific. Determine which bracket you need and place it up to the frame. Take note of any difficulties and continue to clean away any rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 6. The center brackets will require assembling the mount and filler plate before installing. Align the two shown edges and weld them together at the seam. Continue to bend the plate following the mount's curve and weld the opposite edge. Finally, 100% weld the two together. Next, insert your new or used bushing into the new bracket and resecure it to the vehicle for purposes of retaining body to frame alignment. Finally, begin welding the part to the frame around all edges while avoiding damage to the bushing and body. Repeat on all other brackets, and you're done.